Hello students, welcome back to the online English class. In this video, we are going to understand the second part of our 15th grammar lesson, prepositions. In this, we are going to see the second type, prepositions of time. They show the time means relationship in time. What is the relationship of the action in the sentence with time? Read the following sentences. The meeting will begin at 3. So at a point of time, here a point is there, point of time, 3, this point. He left the school at 18, point of age. This is age 18 and this at is telling this point of time, 18. This is also age. When did he leave the school? Its answer will be at 18. I joined the school in 1991. Again the year, the point of time. I shall be 13 in January. 13 means 13-year-old in January. This is also a point of time. So in this way, here these prepositions are telling any point of time. In examples we have seen now, I am going to Meerut on Monday. So this on is telling the time and the point of time is this Monday, means this day. Thereafter, we shall reach home before evening. This is also telling the time. Before a particular point of time we will reach. We shall go to school after breakfast. Before a particular after a particular action we shall go. This thing is there. And next, the school is closed from the 1st of May, means from the 1st of May the school is closed. This we are telling. So this is also telling the point of time. The point of time is the 1st of May. This is the point of time, and this preposition is telling the relationship of this point of time with the sentence. I shall wait until tomorrow. Tomorrow is the point of time here, and prepositions are till or until. The meaning is same. We shall be home by midnight. By midnight is it is also telling the point of time. Thereafter, I shall be away for a few days. This is indicating a period of time. For we use to tell a period of time, a few days. He arrived at about 10 o'clock. This is also telling the time, approximate time, not the exact time. The sun gives us light during the day. During is also telling the time. This is also a preposition. Thereafter, since. He has been here since 2 o'clock. From that time till now. Since is telling from that time till now. The lunch hour is between 12 and 1 o'clock. So this is telling point of time. 2 points of time, and between them the lunch hour is there. That thing we are showing with the help of this preposition between. Now all the prepositions in above sentences are prepositions of time. They tell the time and they answer the question when. Now remember that some prepositions of place like in, on, from, before, etc. are used as both prepositions of place and prepositions of time also. Now exercise 2. Fill in the blanks choosing correct prepositions from the options given in brackets. Here 1, 2 I will solve, remaining you have to do. Answers will be given to you afterwards. This you do in the textbook itself. I sleep at 10 o'clock. This house was built in 1989. She was there before 8 o'clock. So this is how you have to write here prepositions, all 20 you solve in the textbook itself. Now prepositions of movement and direction. Prepositions of direction: to, towards, into, at, for, against. These tell a direction. such as the east, west, south, north. These are the directions. But to which directions, that these prepositions are telling to us in the sentence. To has the sense of destination, towards of direction. Let us see. We went to the school. We went to the school means towards the school means to the direction of the school. We went towards the school in the direction of the school. We went to school is telling exactly we reached to the school to that point. We went towards the school. Towards is telling that we went towards the school, but it is not sure that we went to the school or not. So this is the difference between to and towards. When a fixed point is there, when we go to a fixed point, that time we use to. But when we go towards that fixed point, but it is possible that we could go anywhere else near that fixed point, that time we use towards. Into denotes movement towards the interior of something. Interior means inside part. The frog jumped into the pond. Into. From outside into inside. She quickly walked into the room. And this is how this into is used. At has the idea of hitting. Means when we throw something towards someone. That time we use at. I threw the ball at the keeper. Such as this. For suggest the beginning of a movement. The workers left for the factory. The child leaves for school early in the morning. Now next, against shows pressure or contact. The boy is leaning against the wall. Leaning means sitting. The boy is leaning. Sometimes it can be sitting or it can be taking support of the wall. So here we take support of the wall. This is why we give the pressure or we come in contact with that wall. So against preposition is used for this. Prepositions of direction, from, of, out of, from is used with the point of departure or point of time. She has already gone from the office. The office is the point of departure, means point of going away. Second one, off shows separation. It is used in the sense of from the surface of or down from. How? He fell off the horse. He fell off the horse means he fell from upside the horse. Means he was sitting on the horse. The ball rolled off the table. Rolled off the table means rolled and fell down the table. Other prepositions showing movement are through, over, along, across, round, up and down. These also show the movement. We drove through the tunnel. This is our movement. How we moved through means from inside. The man is walking along the road. Along means with the road. Along, parallel to the road. The aeroplane is flying over the hills. This is also telling the movement where from where the aeroplane is flying. Thereafter, the fat man is running across the street. Across the street means with the street. No, across the street means perpendicular to the street. They danced round the trees. Round the trees means around. The cat is climbing up the tree. Means going upside. The boy is running down the hill. These all are telling the movement. Where the movement is done. Now we travel by car, by bus, by train, by air, by boat, by sea. This by is used to show the medium of something. This is the medium of traveling. Other relations, manner. Read the following sentences. I solved the sums without any difficulty. We will meet the challenge with courage. learn this poem by heart. So here you see without telling the manner. I solved the sum without any difficulty. How I solved without any difficulty. We will meet the challenge with courage. How will we meet the challenge? Now third one, learn this poem by heart. How should you learn this poem? By heart. In the above sentences, without, with and by are prepositions of manner because they tell or they help to answer the question how. Now, cause or purpose. Read the following sentences. He died of a heart attack. Of is telling the purpose or cause here. He is doing a lot for the welfare of the blind. Is telling the purpose. Now, agency or instrument. I learnt about it through my friend. Means by my friend or with the help of my friend. So my friend is the agency or instrument from which I learnt. He cut his finger with a knife. With is also preposition. It is instrument. With a knife means by a knife. It is telling about the instrument. Some trains are run by electricity. By electricity is becoming the agent or agency here, or instrument here. So by preposition is joining it with the sentence. Now measure or rate. Milk is sold by liter. Apples are selling at 20 rupees a kilo. This is how rate. Whenever you do the rate, at what rate or at what cost, that time you use at preposition. Then milk is sold by liter. So by, whenever measurement is there, by kilo, such measurements are done with the help of this by preposition. Origin, inference or source. Read the following sentences. These lines are from Nazrul. This is origin. From whom? From Nazrul. From her looks, I could see he was in trouble. This is inference, means this is the judgment, your conclusion. In trouble, she was in trouble. We get light from the sun. This is also a source. Now, prepositions and adverbs. What is the difference between them? You see, aeroplane went up. The lizard crawled up the wall. Here, up the wall. This preposition is telling the relationship of this word up the wall with the the action, means the verb in the sentence. Here any such word is not there. So this is adverb and this is preposition, which is telling the position or the relationship of the word the wall with the crowd verb. So here are also examples of prepositions and adverbs. Now we will solve the exercise, third last exercise of this lesson. Prepositions we have to give right here from the brackets and answers are already given. So you can copy these answers. If you have any doubts, you can ask anytime. Have fun. Thank you so much. Take care.